Jeez.
And it blows 3/4 inch, no problem. I mean, granted, I have it turned up.
That's about as thick a stuff as I ever used, so that's great.
And then it'll do half inch.
Is it 220 or 110?
Either or.
Okay,
You
got
can
you.
Both.
Got you.
Well,
you
on
got it
110
on?
obviously you can't use.
Are you on 220 right now?
I'm on 220 right now. So if you turn it up to 50 amps on 110.
Oh yeah, that thing looks great though.
Let's get back all up now.
What do you got to have set up for air on it? What's it take?
Well, you can put whatever you want through it. I've been running about 60 psi. Because...
Oh, no, I mean as far as connection. Okay.
Oh yeah, just quick. Not everybody has neighbors like this that'll go pick up firewood for you because you don't have time because you're at work. We are very blessed. lot of logs that they brought to us. The gentleman that we cut hay for is the one that gave us the logs for firewood. About all they're good for. And then Lance is our neighbor, who lives right across from us, and then Jason's with him. Just rode with him. Our tractor is a power shift tractor, but you still have to use the clutch to go from forward to reverse. So for any forward gear to reverse. Morning, everybody. It's honestly, I don't know what time it is. The sun hasn't rose yet. Not that that's really that early in the wintertime, but beautiful sunrise. You ready? Keep going, then I'm gonna hop on the back, right? There you go. On the driveway. Hey everyone, I forgot to kind of talk a little bit about the neighbors. So in one of the videos, Lance and Jason, Lance, offered to take his truck and trailer to go pick up those logs for me for firewood, dropped them off at our house just because of the fact that I wasn't able to go get them in a timely manner from the individual that was willing to give them to him. And then Kyle is always coming over here and feeding animals for us if we're going somewhere, just taking care of little odds and ends so that we can go visit family that's not far away, but we could go and stay the night and come back the next day. And Kevin, who generously donated that metal to us that I needed to finish up the forks for the tractor, is constantly doing stuff for us. All of our neighbors, I have nothing bad to say about any of them. Kevin is the one that we go back the farthest with, just because the fact when we started our farm, we didn't have a hay plan for the winter. Kevin generously offered to let us purchase hay from him and helped us out in a way that it wasn't going to break the bank for us. He's constantly letting us borrow implements. And we try to do the same thing for all of our neighbors, but they've been started in farming so much longer and so far ahead of us that most of the time we don't have anything to offer them other than a helping hand. And most of the time they don't ask for one. They're more than capable and competent enough in doing everything that they need to do for their farm. Right now it's a little bit of a hard time for us just because the fact that as a drill sergeant, I don't get a lot of time off. I get 1 day a week off usually, unless I have CQ on Sunday, then I don't get that day off either. So it's just a lot of effort to get a farm going, and I wanted to explain in this video how awesome all of our neighbors are. I don't have one bad thing to say about any of them. They're all more than willing to help, more than willing to do stuff for us. I mean, heck, Jason just a few weeks ago gave us a furnace for our garage so that I can have heat in the garage, so when I'm out there working I don't have to freeze. I mean, just little things like that, you know, it's nothing for him because he had one that was laying around he wasn't using. But for me, it's a big gesture. Just like Kevin letting us use stuff that he doesn't need it at the moment, you know, so it's just sitting there. But it's the fact that whenever you use somebody else's stuff, it puts wear on it, especially implements. Like I used his disc mower the first time that we made our own hay. I used his hay rake the last 2 years. And I mean, we actually got to return the favor finally. Something of his broke, and he actually had asked us to borrow something, and we were more than willing and more than happy to help. But I guess the more important thing is that in a rural and remote area like this, we really rely on our neighbors a lot. It's not the fact that you can't do something on your own, but sometimes you just simply need help. And farms, they don't make a lot of money. None of us make a lot of money off of our farms. So whenever it comes time to needing something, instead of saying, hey, I need help, oh yeah, you know, I'll help you for $10 an hour, it's, yeah, I can help you, no problem. And then a year or a month or a day later when you're, hey, you know, this happened and I need help, nobody complains about it, nobody keeps score. They're just like, yep, hey, I'll be over, and you know, whenever time I can get there, I'll be there to help. It's just a wonderful thing. All of our neighbors help with so many things. We help each other with fencing, with haying, working animals, sometimes repairs on a building or a vehicle or a tractor. It happens a lot. All these things happen, and we don't make a lot of money, and all of us come together to help each other. It's just a wonderful thing. So this was my Neighbors Helping Neighbors video. You're going to see a lot more of all those neighbors. We help each other throughout the whole year, not just here and there, but not all, well, pretty close to weekly. And within a weekly time frame, a neighbor is helping another neighbor around here, and it's just a wonderful thing. I hope you liked the video this week. As usual, if you like it, like the video. If you have any questions, comment down below, and if you like our channel, please subscribe to it. That way you can see all of our videos as soon as they're posted. So that's it for this week. Thanks, God bless, and we'll see you in a week. So if they like the video, what should they do?
If you like the video, push the thumbs up button.
Okay, and then what if they have questions about the video? What could they do?
If you have questions about the video, leave a comment down below.
And then if they like the content on our channel?
If you subscribe.
So think about it. If you subscribe, you could see that cute mug almost weekly. Pretty good deal.
Bye-bye.